Hey guys, we are Social Flip. Today is our first video and we are gonna make people talk about homosexuality. If they will. Come on, let's see. When you hear the term homosexuality, what comes first to your mind?
Homosexuality, logically speaking, the people who are attracted to the same sex. So, the humans, like, which prefer their own opposite sex and they get attracted to that. So, that is homosexuality.
Homosexuality is something like you are interested in one particular sex. Similar.
Homosexuality is like we are interested in both sex.
Okay. That comes to bisexual. What do you think about homosexuality or if someone is a homosexual person?
No,
I
that's
mean, it's okay with that.
There is no
Every-
stigma attached to it.
Everyone says individual life.
Whatever you like to do. Okay, if you are a homosexual, if you like the same sex, then that's not a problem. Because people all around the world are keep saying you need to do this and you need to do that. But that's not the point. The point is what actually you like. If you love opposite sex, that's fine. If you like same sex, that's fine.
What I feel is it's totally, it's totally up to the person. First of all, it comes about the choice. Like, if they're taking it as a choice, then it's up to the person that it's very personal. But as far as homosexuality is concerned, I believe that it is a very personal issue and everyone has a right to live in his own way. And if some people are homosexual, then it's perfectly normal for them. Like, they can enjoy their own life in their own ways and like that.
Do you have any friend who is homosexual?
No, not yet.
As far as now, no, I don't have any friends like who are homosexual. All of my friends are straight, whether they're males or female.
No, I was in a girls' college, so yes, there were people, but I don't know them personally.
No, same here. I don't.
Do you think you would ever come across somebody like you will get attracted to a same-sex man?
No, I don't think that I will get attracted to a same sex because I'm absolutely straight
Absolutely.
and I have a girlfriend. Yeah.
Do you guys ever see yourself like, okay man, if I get a girl like this, I can make out kind of.
No,
Okay.
straight people.
Straight.
Homosexuality?
In a guy.
No, I don't think. I like girls more actually.
More.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a law according to IPC 377. If a person is caught in a unnatural sex or any homosexual activity, he would be punished for 10 years. Whereas if a person rapes somebody, the punishment is 7 years.
Okay.
What do you think?
The man who is homosexual, the punishment is more than the rapist.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know this, but this is really bad. I criticize this law because if somebody is not hurting someone and doing what he wished to do, that's fine for him from my side. If he loves a girl, if he wants to have sex with a girl or a guy, that's his own choice. Hmm? The law should not interfere in one's wish. You have listened that song, Sada Hak.
Yeah.
अब क्या सही है ये भी तुम ही मुझे बताओगे भाई. Let me do what I love to do and I'm not hurting anybody. That's all.
Alright. Yeah,
What do
I
you
didn't know that.
Same here. I also don't.
What do you think about it?
No, that's not fair. Should be changed.
See, we cannot simply justify the fact that whether this punishment is fair or unfair. See, it is the constitution of our country, so we cannot challenge that whether it is. But yeah, there is a difference of opinion. Like, for every person, there is a different opinion about the punishment and whatever. But yeah, I do believe that there should be equality. That there should not be if someone is raping someone and he's getting less punishment than the other way.
But why should somebody get a punishment if they have done it by choice?
No. If they have done it by choice, then I don't believe that they need to be punished or something. It's out of their choice. It's their personal life. If they are adults, they are 18 plus.
बोला गया है कि it's curable.
What?
But homosexuality is curable. But is it actually a disease? That
It
can
is
be
not a
cured?
disease, it's just a choice. It's a choice, it's not a disease. Okay. Having sex with somebody, man or a woman, cannot be a disease. It's just a choice and a desire.
Curable.
No, it's not a disease.
I think
There's
the
nothing to
statement
be
is
cured.
incorrect.
Yes.
It's not
There's
a
nothing to
disease
be
which
cured.
can be cured or which cannot be cured.
Basically, what I think is not a disease Obviously not a disease. I mean, who says homosexuality is a disease? I don't personally, I don't
Baba
believe.
Ramdev said so that it can be cured.
Well, he might have said so, but it's, as far as my personal opinion is, that I don't think, like, it's very stupid to say that homosexuality is a disease.
So guys, we are done with this video. As you can see, homosexuality is quite a big deal to talk about. But hope you liked our video. Give it a thumbs up, comment and do subscribe. और अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ के लिए चाहिए कि we go to people and ask their opinion, please let us know. Thank you so much.